Yo, it's your boy Joey. We're gonna make a video about depression and my weight loss and stuff. But yeah. Instead, what's happening? Yeah, the hood's fucked now. So are the springs that hold it up. Like, you can see that there. You can see all that's here. Doesn't want to come down. So, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do right now. Yeah, so, this is me freezing my ass off trying to figure it out. Well, I am really fucking cold right now. It's closer to like 10 degrees. But you can see this hood is fucked up. Didn't think that was ever gonna happen to me, but I've seen pictures of other trucks that this happened to. Yeah, my latch didn't close properly. I saw it moving a little bit, which is kind of normal, but yeah. The only thing that was scary was I didn't want us to break my windshield and have to buy another windshield. But anyways, it's closed, it's latched, it's been running, so the engine bays were warmed up enough that the latch thing is working properly. It's a little bit frozen from the rain the other day and I hadn't driven it, and it's been down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Ugh. What a day. Guess I'm going to finish my drive to the grocery store, buy my groceries, and go home, edit this video, send it up, and I'll do my sad boy addiction video that I was thinking of doing today another time. I wonder if it's on there, because I have this. There we go, that'll be cool. I'm just gonna pull it off right now, because yeah, we will see when we get home. We'll hook it up and figure it all out. It does have a memory card. Yeah. So, I'll finish this out when I get home. Hey friends, we're back. It's been a few days. Work, the cold, I just been sleeping a lot. But, that dash cam is garbage. It only records when it's connected to the app, and it doesn't like to connect to the app. So, probably just going to get rid of it. It was a gift from a friend, well-intentioned, but she didn't realize how crappy it was. I thought it would just record in the background, but no, it has to be connected to the app to work. So that's a bummer. You don't get to see the hood. Oh, but anyways, yeah. Hood closes, kinda. There's something wrong with the latch system. I'll figure that out when it's warmer. I do have a ratchet strap over it now, to make sure it stays closed. Yeah. And I think my heating, cooling issues, I don't know if I talked about that. That was mostly my fault. Putting too much water in during summer and not doing the drain and fill like I was planning. And so there's too much water, so it turns slushy at about 10 degrees Fahrenheit. And then it pissed everything out when I went to work the other day. And I think that's because of my crappy coolant reservoir bottle and top. The top doesn't like to go on or off. So I just think I didn't get it on all the way because I was so stinking cold. It's working fine now. But I also did find out that the remote start doesn't work when it's that cold because it doesn't let the glow plugs run long enough. So I may try and figure that out. But if I'm moving to Florida, do I really need to care? No. But anyways, I'm going to go through these clothes from last week, get this video edited, maybe do another video. We did charge the drone up. Maybe we'll go out and get some snow shots. I don't know. Play with some of the features. We'll see. It's still pretty cold. It's like 30 degrees out, and that's too cold for me. Which is like 0, -1 Celsius. I don't know. Anyways, peace out. Have fun. Do something. I don't know. Bye.